What's up, Gadgeteers? Father's Day is coming up, and if your dad's into practical and stylish gear, this gift guide is for you. We'll cover everything from backpacks and sling bags to wallets and EDC pouches, plus essential EDC items that every dad will appreciate. Starting off with the UAG Standard Issue 24-liter backpack. The key points are centered around practicality and durability for everyday use. Weatherproof construction highlighted by the weatherproof zippers and rugged wear-resistant materials. This backpack is built for resilience against the elements. Organized storage. The backpack boasts multiple compartments at different easy access points, catering to users who prioritize organization. Its ergonomic molded padding emphasizes comfort for daily commutes and short trips. Next up, the Grid Backpack. This backpack emphasizes its suitability for both professionals and adventurers. Constructed from eco-friendly upcycled PET bottles, it's designed to be both weatherproof and drop resistant, appealing to users seeking sustainability and protection for their belongings. The backpack heavily features its suitability for electronics with a 180-degree opening for easy access to its dedicated laptop compartment up to a 16-inch, and its soft-line tech and sunglass pockets. Marketed for both daily commute, outdoor adventures, or a 5-day road trip, it emphasizes adaptability to different lifestyles. And finally, we have the Retractable Commuter Backpack. This backpack focuses on durability, security, and a sleek aesthetic. The use of 900D ballistic nylon and YKK AquaGuard zippers points to a focus on high-quality, durable materials and weather-resistant as a key selling point. The inclusion of a hidden AirTag/GPS tracker pocket specifically caters to security-conscious individuals. The Fitlock magnetic sternum strap buckle and dual expandable water bottle holder suggest a design optimized for travel convenience. If you're looking for something a little more compact than a full backpack, let's talk sling bags. These are great for everyday carry when you just need a few essentials. Starting off with the Alpaka Bravo Sling Mini version 2. It features 3 zip compartments, including a main compartment with 2 selections for electronics and integrated pockets for smaller items. The hidden rear pocket provides a secure location for essential items like a passport or wallet. It utilizes a robust magnetic buckle for the strap and an integrated magnetic key tether in the front compartment. Constructed with X-Pack waterproof fabric and waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers, this sling could outstand any elements you throw at it. COB X-Pod 2. Designed for active lifestyle, it offers a compact size for everyday carry and expands to accommodate more items when needed. Features 2 separate compartments, with the front compartment being expandable. Includes a concealed rear zipper pocket, 2 quick access side pockets, 2 zip mesh pockets, and a slip pocket inside the main compartment. Can be worn across the body or around the hip and includes a detachable chest stabilizer strap for added security. Made out of Cordura RE/Core RN66 100% recycled nylon and features EcoPack fabric in a specific colorways, which is durable, waterproof, and environmentally friendly materials. And last, let's talk about the budget-friendly Inateck. Offers a 4-liter capacity with a layered structure and 19 function zones for efficient organization. The main compartment includes a dedicated section for electronics such as phones, a Nintendo Switch, or a iPad mini. Features both front and rear concealed zipper pockets for security valuables, with water-resistant 900D polyester fabric and YKK zippers for lasting performance. The adjustable shoulder strap with a quick-release buckle allows for comfortable wearing as a crossbody bag over the shoulder or on the back. Now that you got your bag sorted out, let's take a look at what you'll be carrying inside. A good wallet is a must-have, and these minimalist options are both stylish and functional. Starting with the Ridge wallet. It's sleek, durable aluminum designed to hold 1 to 12 cards without stretching. It has RFID blocking for security technology, a lifetime warranty, and a 99-day trial usage, meaning you can use it for 99 days, and if you don't like it, you can return it. And it's ideal for minimalists who prioritize durability. Next up, it is the Double Oak Essential. It's made of top grain with a unique locking mechanism. It's MagSafe compatible for iPhone users or any Android case that utilizes the MagSafe technology. It has a removable card holder for versatility. It carries up to 7 cards plus cash. Great for those who want a mix of style and function. Next up, it is the Ekster Cardholder. Its slim aluminum card holder design is fantastic for front pocket use. It has quick card access with a fanning mechanism. It offers RFID protection. It has an expandable backplate for extra storage, and it's perfect for those who primarily use cards. Also paired with the Finder card, which is Apple Find My Card friendly. It's absolutely amazing. The Finder card is an ultra slim rechargeable tracking device that will make your belongings impossible to lose. And last but not least, the Distil Union Wally 5.0. Designed for front pocket carry, its unique pull tab card access features, mag lock pockets for secure card storage, sustainable materials and construction, best for those who want a slim bifold with a modern twist. Every father should have EDC essentials, and if you need a way to organize all those EDC necessities and accessories, these EDC pouches offer different styles and features to fit your needs. Starting with the smallest of them all, the Alpaka Hub Pouch. It's made of waterproof X-Pack material VX21. It has YKK zippers, 6 internal pockets, and 1 external pocket. It has hub keychain capabilities, ideal for those seeking a compact and organized way to carry everyday essentials. Next up, the Maxpedition mini pocket organizers. Compact design, fits in pockets or backpacks, full clamshell opening for easy access, organized interiors with slip pockets and elastic loops, carry handles for POW weavings for attachment options, Mossy compatible for tactical use, perfect for EDC enthusiasts who need a versatile pouch. The Votagoo Tactical Pocket Organizer is durable 500D nylon with a tear-resistant Hypalon panel, smooth YKK zippers for reliable use, customizable with a hook and loop patch area. It is a very compact size for easy carry, multiple compartment design with Mossy system for organization, great for those who want a rugged customizable pouch. Okay, now that we've got our carry solutions figured out, let's dive into the actual everyday carry items that should go into your pouch or bag. Why are these items a must-have for any EDC pouch? Let's find out. A compact knife is invaluable for everyday tasks like opening packaging, cutting through materials, or even preparing food in a pinch. The Kizer Amicus is a great choice because it's small enough to fit comfortably in a pouch, yet sturdy enough for daily use. A Multitool packs a variety of tools, pliers, screwdrivers, etc. into a compact form, making it a versatile problem solver. The COB PowerPint is a particularly popular choice for EDC because it offers a good balance of functionality and size. A flashlight is crucial for low light situations, whether it's finding something in the dark corner or navigating a power outage. The WUBEN E7 is incredibly bright, has a long battery life, and is compact enough for everyday carry. A small notebook is handy for jotting down quick notes, ideas, or reminders. It is a simple yet essential tool for staying organized. Field notes notebooks are known for their quality and portable size, making them a popular choice for EDC. Even in a digital age, a reliable pen is indispensable for signing documents, filling out forms, or simply writing. The Zebra F701 is a durable, comfortable pen that's perfect for everyday use. Paracord is incredibly strong and versatile. It can be used for repairs, security items, building shelters, or even in an emergency situation. The Mossy Oak 750 Paracord is a good option because it's high quality and comes in a variety of colors to suit personal preference. A lighter is used for starting fires, lighting candles, or even heat shrinking. The big lighter with multi-tool sleeve adds extra functionality with its built-in tools. In a world of multiple devices, having a multi-device charging cable on hand is essential. The Chaton magnetic cable offers convenience with a magnetic connector and compatibility with various devices. A portable power bank can be a lifesaver when your phone or other devices run out of batteries on the go. The Anker 10,000 mAh 30-watt power bank offers a good balance of capacity and portability. And of course, no EDC kit is complete without a good pair of sunglasses. I've recently become obsessed with these Nevens shades, and here's why. Nevens great deals, awesome selection, and everlast guaranteed. Buy one, get two free. Seriously, who doesn't love a deal? These make grabbing multiple pairs for different looks super affordable. And Nevens has so many styles to choose from. I guarantee you'll find the perfect pair to match your vibe. Plus, they use high quality frames and lenses, so you know you're getting a good product. The Everlast Guarantee. This is the real game changer. If your sunglasses get lost, stolen, or even broken, Nevens got your back. You get a brand new pair for just a small processing fee. That's peace of mind you can't beat. I mean, look at these. These Nevens shades are a no-brainer. If you're looking to upgrade your drip, check them out in the link below. Now let's move on to a couple of other EDC essentials. Keep in mind these are more about personal preference, so there's no right or wrong choice. Let's talk about smartphones and smartwatches. If you're an Apple iPhone user, you only have one choice, and there's always good carrier deals when it comes to the iPhone. But if you rock an Android smartphone, there's plenty of choices and brands to choose from. Below, I'll drop some great smartphones at great prices if you want to go ahead and look at to upgrade your dad for Father's Day. The Galaxy Z Fold 5, save up to $800 with instant trade-in credit. The OnePlus 12, $100 off for trade-in of any smartphone, any condition, or up to $400 instant credit with eligible trade-in. $100 off the OnePlus Watch 2 with the purchase of the OnePlus 12. OnePlus 12R, $70 off with any trade-in, any condition, and up to $300 instant credit with eligible trade-in. $100 off the OnePlus Watch 2 with the purchase of the OnePlus 12R. And the Pixel 8 Pro, $749, that's $150 off. Now, we all know our phones aren't always the most reliable when it comes to battery life. That's why I always have a smartwatch on hand. If you're an iPhone user, chances are you already have an Apple Watch, and it's a great option. But for my Android friends out there, I highly recommend checking out the OnePlus Watch 2. This thing is packed with features. It got a super fast processor, a long-lasting battery that can go for days in smart mode, incredible accurate GPS, and a large AMOLED display that's easy to read. Plus, it has tons of storage for music and apps. But as much as I love my smartwatch, it's always good to have a backup. That's why I keep the Casio's Men's AE1200 WH-1 watch in my EDC pouch. This thing is practically indestructible and has battery that lasts for years. Plus, at only $20, it's an absolute steal. So whether your smartwatch dies or just want a simple, reliable timepiece, this Casio is a great option to have on hand. And there you have it, folks. I hope this Father's Day gift guide gave you some awesome ideas. Let me know in the comments what you'll be getting your dad. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Happy Father's Day. Link to all these products can be found in the description of the video along with their current discounts. And yes, they are affiliated links that help the channel if you decide to use them at no extra cost to you. But don't feel obligated to use them if you don't want to. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.